So hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I hope you are doing well, right? But this is our new question. X raised to x raised to 2 which is equal to x square raised to x. And obviously we have to find the value of x in this particular question, right? So pay attention throughout the video. This is amazing question, right? And now let's see how do we solve this question. See, here I have two powers, which means x raised to x raised to 2. And here I have x raised to 2 raised to x, right? So, if I write x raised to x raised to 2 as it is, and if I bring this whole term into denominator, x square raised to x, which is equal to 1. And in numerator and denominator, I have same base. Agree? So, I can write x raised to x square minus 2 raised to x, which is equal to 1. Agree? Now, pay attention. If I, for example, if I have a raised to b equal to 1. Now, which are the condition in which means in which are the value of a and b, this condition, which means this equation satisfy. What will be the value of a and b for which this equation satisfy, right? That's my question. Now let's see. Now let's go deep into this. First condition is if I put a equal to 1 here, then it doesn't matter what will the value of b, we will always get 1 as our answer, right? If I put a equal to 1 here, this is our first condition. Now if I put second condition, in second condition if I put a equal to minus 1 and value of b has to be even, whatever value I put of b, that has to be even. And if I put a equal to minus 1, right, because minus 1 raised to 2 or minus 1 raised to 4 always is gonna be equal to 1 because power is even, right? That's why I have written this condition. This is our second condition. I hope you got first and second condition, right? Now let's go into third condition. What will be the third condition? Third condition is a is not equal to 0 but b equal to 0, right? Whatever value of a I have, if I put b equal to 0, then I will get 1, right? Because a raised to 0 is always gonna be equal to 1, right? That's why I have written this condition. Now I hope you got it all the third condition. Now with the help of these three conditions, we will try to solve this equation. Now instead of a raised to b, I have x raised to x square minus 2 raised to x equal to 1. So according to this first condition, value of a equal to 1. So if I compare this with this equation, I will get x equal to 1, right? If I put x equal to 1, then I will directly get 1 as our answer. This is our first condition. Now let's talk about second condition. What is second condition? A equal to minus 1 and b equal to 1, which means x equal to minus 1 and x square minus 2 raised to x equal to even. Now this is this possible? If I put x equal to minus 1 here, I will get minus 1 square, which is equal to 1, and 1 minus, I will get 2 raised to minus 1, which means 1 minus 1 by 2, I won't get even number, right? And if I want even number, then this term has to be even and this term is also be equal to even. Or second possibility is both the term has to be odd, right? But in this case, what will happen? One term I will get odd and one term I will get even, right? That's why this case is not possible, right? This case is not possible whenever we take x equal to minus 1. Now let's dive into third case, which is a is not equal to 0 but b is equal to 0, which means x is not equal to 0 but b equal to 0, which means x square minus 2 raised to x equal to 0. So I can write it as x square minus 2 raised to x, right? And now I have solved this question before, that x square equal to 2 raised to x. How I will find the value of x? It's very simple. I know all of you know how do we solve this question, right? So first of all, what we'll do, I will take logarithm both the side, ln x square, which is equal to ln 2 raised to x. So it will become 2 into ln x equal to x into ln 2, right? So I can write it as ln x divided by x, which is equal to ln 2 divided by 2. So I can directly get by comparing this equation x equal to 2. But this is not our final answer, right? I'm sure all of you know. We will get one more answer. How? Pay attention. Ln x divided by x is it is. Here I have ln 2 divided by 2. Now if I multiply by 2 in numerator and denominator, then what will happen? 2 into ln 2, I will get 2 into 2, 4. I can also write this as ln 2 raised to 2, right, divide by 4. So it will become ln 4 by 4, which is equal to ln x by x. I will get second answer as x equal to 4, right? So how many answer I got? X equal to 1, x equal to 2, and x equal to 4. So right, I will get total 3 answer at the end of this video. So I hope you got it. This is slightly conceptual question, right? I hope you understand it. And if you have any question, any query, then you can comment me in the comment box. And thank you so much for watching this video.